Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to disable or bypass Hypervisor in Windows 11. There are three methods in Windows 11 to disable Hypervisor. The first method is to disable it from Windows Features. Click on the search bar and search for the tag. Turn Windows Features on or off and open it. From the Windows Features list, look for the virtual machine and hypervisor platform and disable it by uncheck those options. And restart the system. The second method is by using the command prompt. Open the command prompt as administrator and run the following command in this video. bc edit space /set space hypervisor launch type space off and hit enter. Now the operation completed successfully, message will appear. Again, restart the system. The third method is by using PowerShell commands. Open PowerShell with administrator privileges and type the following commands shown in this video. If any error found while running these commands, then please disable the memory integrity function in Windows 11. To disable it, click on Start menu and open Settings, then open the Privacy and Security tab. Again, open the Windows Security option. Here, open Device Security. Under Device Security, open Core Isolation Details. Then, disable the memory integrity by turning off the toggle switch. Restart the system and run the command prompt and PowerShell commands again to disable it. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.